dash reading when I entered the room. A. Was. B. Is. C. Were. The cake dash delicious. A. Smell. B. Smells. C. Smelling. If I dash early, I wouldn't have missed the bus. A. Wake. B. Woke. C. Had woken. I have known her dash 5 years A, since B from C4. He usually dash dinner at 8 p.m. A has, B have, C is having. She is interested dash painting. A in, B at, C to. Let's go out after it dash. A. Stop. B. Stops. C. Stop. My shoes dash made in Italy. A is B, or C were. They dash seen that movie before. A. Had. B. Have. C. Has. The baby dash crying when we arrived. A is B was C were. Would you mind dash the window? A. To close. B. Closing. C. Close. He asked me where I dash from. A. Came. B. Come. C. Had come. She sings better than dash. A. Me. B. I. C. Myself. I'd rather you dash now. A. Go. B. Went. C. Gone. Would you like some tea? A. Should. B. Would. C. Will. The news dash shocking. A. Is. B. Are. C. Were. Neither of them dash qualified. A is B, are C, were. He prefers tea dash coffee. A. To. B. Then C. Over. They arrived dash the airport on time. A and B at C2. The manager along with his staff dash here. A. Are. B. Is. C. Were. The story was dash than expected. A. Interesting. B. More interesting. C. Most interesting. The story was dash than expected. A. Interesting. B. More interesting. C. Most interesting. You must refrain dash smoking. A. From. B. Of. C. On. He's good dash solving puzzles. A in B, at, C on. The team dash winning the match. A is B, RC has. She got her car dash. A. Repair. B. Repaired. C. Repairing. We were prevented dash entering the building. A from B to C of. I enjoy dash music. A. Listen. B. Listening. C. To listen. I saw her dash the street. A. Cross. B. Crossing. C. Crossed. That's the student-essay won the prize. A. Who. B. Whose. C. Whom. We dashed to London last year. A. Go. B. Went. C. Gone. Not only he, but also they responsible. A. Is. B. Are. C. Was. You should avoid mistakes. A. Make. B. Made. C. Making. I look forward to from you. A. Hear. B. Hearing. C. Heard. The children playing when the bell rang. A. Is B. Are C. Were. She insisted that he present. A. B. B. Is. C. Was. They were excited the trip. A. About. B. For. C. On. It's high time we A. Go. B. Went. C. Gone. The book was written a famous author. A. By. B. From. C. With. He congratulated her her success. A. For. B. On. C. About. The lights when you leave. A. Put off. B. Turn off. C. Take off. He leave early today. A. Has to. B. Have to. C. Had. My father taught me how to dash. A. Drive. B. Driving. C. Drove. The room was full. Dash people. A. Of. B. With. C. From. There dash a lot of noise outside. A is. BR. C. Were. I'd like a cup of tea. A. Having. B. To have. C. Had. He apologized dash being late. A. To. B. For. C. On. This is the place dash we met. A. Where. B. Which. C. That. He told me that he blank tired. A. Is. B. Was. C. Were. The report must be dashed today. A. Submit. B. Submitted. C. Submitting.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.